Welcome back. We're going to do some Johnny Lightnings. These are cars I like to collect. I've got a few in my collection already. I just like the ones from the designers, Tom Daniel, George Barris, and the rest. I reckon they're pretty cool. So I'm going to start with this one. This one was from Tom Daniels. Johnny Lightning Limited Anniversary Collection. There's the back of the card. This was 2004 copyright. So it would have been released 2005. Okay, this one's the Dragon. 6 of 20. Fresh out. Alright, and let's get that out there. That's gone. Here's your little coin button, whatever you want to call it. Johnny Lightning Limited Edition. There's you go. And here she is. Got the dragon in the cage in the back. We've got 10th anniversary on the wheels. On the tyres, yep. Black interior, you've got a round windscreen. Yeah, steel base. Rubber tyres. Should look good in the collection. Okay. And now we have the Surf Hearse from the late great George Barris. Frightening Lightnings, episode 2. It's the back of the card for you. It's got 1999 on it. Some info that you can pause and look at later. I wonder if they're going to bring back all these series here for Johnny Lightning. Top Fuel Legends is something I'd like them to bring back. Okay. Oh, no, I'll do it from there. We go. Oh, come on. You're coming out whether you want to or not. There we go. Put up a fight, but I won. There's the card, nothing on the back. And there is the sweet Surf Hearse, purple. Rubber tyres, metal base, the back end. It's very wide, this one, compared to other models, and compared to the old Hot Wheels. It's a Hot Wheels Mustang. It's a bit wider, but she'll still fit in the display cabinet. That's fine. Go with the rest of them. I'm liking that. Alrighty. Next, another Frightening Lightning. Booill Express. Back of the card for you. Some info. Got to get the Ghostbusters Ecto one. I have not got one of those yet. In either Hot Wheels or any other brand. Must get one. They seem to go for a fair bit though. Okay, let's get this. Oh, Johnny Lightning. Oh, I used some good glue on this stuff. Okay. Oh, yellow ink blister, look at that. Can't forget me button. Okay. There she is. I have the silver one of this. So happy to add the gold one to it. I think there was another colour, I think, as well. They're not the easiest things to get, also not the cheapest either. But I've lived in the States. Wouldn't have to pay so much in postage. That's what kills us when we're collecting these cars, is postage. It's a killer. I usually buy in bulk lots. Bulk lots of 100 cars at a time or something. Drains the bank very dry. Okay, there we go. 3 favourites right there. Alright, what are we going to do next? See ya.